Sunod sila, no?
Sunod. Basit ay ko nang isa magkatulog. Ganahan ito ng sunod ay
Ay, kailan lips mo? Kuha ni sa Colombia, Thailand, and Philippines. Ganun lang bang pinto.
Grabe.
Katindog yung sa pasta. Yes! Gali na po ba? Kung i-focus siya, bakit tagi? Talaka.
Naka-proud kayo ba?
And just for yourself, but for others.
Grabe. Happy na kayo pangkaroon. Ay! Evening daw na rin mo.
Ay, evening na sa one. Hala, saan na yung
Mau ka? Wala ba ang Paraguay?
An interesting thing
Wala mo
about
dahil
this
sila
is
kabuha.
that
Gawa ko siya.
Dapat
I've kept a diary ever since a young age, full of
Saan nasa
keepsakes
kuha
and
ng company?
journals, be it a pressed flower, a scribble from a loved one, or concert tickets. I like to see the beauty in the simple things.
Sana
I
siya
look
story
at
lang.
life as moments. It is not just the big achievements that are important, but also the small ones that shape
May siya,
who we
sila
are.
doon ni Venezuela.
Hindi mo ko na-translate yung mahago. Ito, pamati mo.
Ay, good na ma'am. Sa ikapan si... Ika-8 lagi sa akin sa... Nauna ko ang
Ayaw! Ang Canada na wala pa.
Ang Canada.
Wow, di ay.
In Africa, I was
That's
raised in
12 na.
America,
15
and I
dahil
blossomed in Europe, and I am the reflection of a generation that mixes cultures together, but without forgetting her roots. I am all about purpose and beauty, and I'm helping education with my foundation of Education because that is something that is important to me. I always say that education should not be a choice, it should be a right. So what I try to do is help with women empowerment. That is why I have my slogan, Assume Your Identity, which helps
Kada ni siya,
women all over the
Panibayo.
world and men all over the
Mamisa,
world
no?
assume
Kasi
who they are and love themselves.
Fantastic top 12 of now shows
So, safe na dyan.
exciting levels are hitting the roof here, right people?
Naapa ma'am.
Alright,
Wala pa si Paraguay
break
dito.
first. It's time to have another look at some of the
Baka
amazing
mag-automatic ba?
experiences our delegates have been enjoying in this
Feel na po ang kuan na duro to katong mga nandaugan ilang. Okay na tong katsod madungagan lang siguro. Nasa kang mo na. Wala lagi siya ni nga last. Ni na ba? Di ba? Tutap to brother.
Hindi ka dito si Juan mo ba? Ghost it.
Step.
Ito pala yung sa nangin na mahago. Ano, wapa ka nga to. Okay to.
Wapa jud kaayo.
Nagkagandahang dilaw. Sa una kaya, ang inaibutang kaya ng babae nga. Ang logo nila sa una kaya, babae nga. Na ay nagkawin o ka.
Trophy. Okay.
Through tort. Ay, crown man ba ito?
Kailan na pa ni kami. Ito sang kuanan ma'am palungan.